Hey 7th graders, this is Mr. Pickett here with a special supplemental tutorial on the audition sheet. I've been listening to some of you play it, and this of course is a weird, different kind of year, so we're going to just do something that we've never done before. I'm going to go through each exercise twice, and many of you kids have got most of this down, but some of you are making some mistakes along the way. Okay, I'm going to talk you through each exercise, and again, I cannot help you specifically on these exercises, but I have been giving some of you little helpful hints, and I'll continue to do that in sectionals as they come about. Okay, please make sure you keep to the metronome markings. You can see at the beginning of the exercise it says, like for exercise 1, quarter note equals 120, exercise 2, quarter note equals 100. Okay, let's begin with exercise number 1. Check your key signatures. It's concert, D flat. Check your key signatures. It's still on you kids to get the notes correct. Now this is a trumpet line, of course. It's 3 flats for the trumpet, and the clarinet, and the tenor sax, and the bass clarinet. But for flute and low brass, it's 5 flats. For the alto sax and the bari sax, it's 2 flats. Okay? So you have to be careful. Like I said, flute, trombone, baritone, tuba, it's 5 flats. Okay, I'll play it twice. Here we go. 1, 2, listen, and. Okay, one more time. This is exercise 1. 1, 2, listen, and. Now exercise number 2, a little slower. Quarter note equals 100. This is the chromatic scale. Listen. Ready, and now. Once again. Doesn't need to be too fast. Once again. Use your fingering chart to double check the notes. Once again. Ready, and now. Exercise 3. Now in this one, quarter note equals 84. Okay? Preponderance of slurs. This is going to be legato style. Okay? Here we go. I'll play it twice. First time. 1. Listen. And now. Okay. One more time. Notice again. Legato style, preponderance of slurs. 1, listen, and. Okay. We'll take a brief break and we'll scroll down and get to the next couple of exercises. Okay, back in just a second. Okay, we're on to exercise number 4. Now this says quarter note equals 80. It's 8ths and 16ths, so just be careful and don't go too fast. I'll play it twice. Here we go, first time. Ready? Here we go. Ready, and. time. 1, 2, listen, and. Number 5 is in cut time. So the half note equals 92 beats per minute. Again, cut time is 2/2 time, 2 beats per measure. Each half note gets 1 beat. So it's the half note that gets 1 beat. All the beat values are cut in half. Okay? Check your key signature. This is concert F. For the B flat pitched instruments, we have an F sharp. For the flutes, you have 1 flat, low brass 1 flat, 2 sharps for the alto and bari sax. Here we go. This is cut time again, students, okay? Here we go. I'll play it twice. Ready, and. Okay. Again, not too terribly fast. Quarter notes 92, once again. Ready, and now. Exercise number 6. We're back to 4/4. Quarter note equals 100. Now this one, you've got a preponderance of syncopation on the first line and dotted 8/16 on the second line. Also, check your key signature. It's concert A flat. 2 flats for the B flat pitched instruments, trumpet, clarinet, tenor sax, bass clarinet. 4 flats for the flutes and the low brass, and 1 flat for the alto and bari sax. All right, here we go. Also, please, in the first line, do not ignore the accents. Just to bring out the syncopation a little bit more. Here we go. I'll play it twice. 1, 2, listen, and. Play it one more time. Okay? 1, 2, listen, and. Okay? We will take a real quick break and we'll get the last exercise up in just a couple seconds, so stay with us. Okay, the final exercise is exercise 7, dotted quarter note equals 80. It's in fast 6/8 time. Okay? Alright, now you learned 6/8 this year, all of you, and those of you in symphonic band, you learned more than just 6/8. You learned 4 different time signatures at the bottom, number 8, but in concert band you learned 6/8. Watch your key signature. We're in concert C. 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp for the B flat instruments, the clarinet, the trumpet, the bass clarinet, the tenor sax. Nothing in your key signature for the flute and the low brass, and 3 sharps for the alto and bari sax. Now this is in fast 6/8. I'll play it twice. Here we go. Ready? Ready, and now. Okay. All right. And let's play it one more time. Ready, and. So that's it. Those were all 7 exercises. Now, again, this is meant to help you kids, but I cannot give you one-on-one help. You can't ask me specific questions about the auditions. Now, so far, what I've heard on Zoom in the sectionals has been pretty good. The sound quality's been enough to where I can hear you kids play correctly. I already pretty much know your tone quality. Most all of you play with a good sound, good tone. So I'm going to be listening mostly for rhythm, correct notes, accents, slurs, and what have you, musical sensitivity. But I can hear you kids pretty well on Zoom. All right? Now again, I am sorry that I cannot answer specific questions. This is a test, and we need to make sure you kids can hack the music and symphonic band next year and give me a clearer picture on how to seat you for next year. I project one of 2 things will happen. We will either do the auditions on Zoom sometime in May, or we will just table the auditions until August. But I'll make that decision pretty soon. All right, good luck with these auditions. Please practice these in addition to your book or whatever else I have assigned you. All right, thanks much. This is Mr. Pickett, and good luck with the auditions. Thanks very much. So long.